Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzle. Yes, in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 18th, 2023, and today is 72 days ago. Another war started in Ukraine, and everything. Not in Ukraine, no. Another war. Next, the first war of Ukraine. Yes, it's between Hamas and Israel, yes. Well, we have here two regular puzzles, and one of the puzzle I've already solved, the medium Sudoku. So it's time now for the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 4 of those puzzles I will do in the evening. But first, let me solve this regular puzzle. This will be number 7641. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits, should be an easy one. The hard one has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay. By the way, I think this one should be a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle. Do not know, we will see. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, let's get started again. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, only one single box. Always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual box? It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, no, here a dual box contains the 1 and 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then, I see here 1 triple box, the 2 is already filled in, so the other 2 missing numbers are the 1 and the 3, do not know in which order. More triple boxes, no, quarter boxes then, I see here a quarter box, there a quarter box, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4, well, those numbers could be everywhere. And here, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first one is this one, the S construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. This is the S. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box is the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. But also, so in this case, it's a 4, okay. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Alright. So that box has the same number as this box, okay, here. In this case, it's a 1 here, right? Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Upside down, this T shape upside down, where you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So it's 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. It's connected with that box, should be also a 2. And 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape here? Or this shape. Let me draw this shape first. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And the last shape, this is this shape. This in this puzzle is this shape. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those as shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes around the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes around the 1 can be a 1, so and that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes around the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, let me mark those. 3 and the 4 and is connected with that box, so 3 and the 4. Alright, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes can be a 5, and these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box, oh wait. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, so 3 and 4. But we already have a 4 there, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be also 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Let me see. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there, because we have already double 2 there. So it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes around the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3, this box can be a 2, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and a 3. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes give me 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1. Can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 2 and a 3, well, I'm stuck here. Did I made a mistake here? Oh, 1 and a 2. Of course, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this S construction should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. This box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 1 box left in this quadra L shape for the number 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for us 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those, is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 4. Okay, and now. Yeah. Well. Let me think. Can be 5, 1, 2. I'm stuck here. 4, so the 4 should be here. 3 and a 4. I need that number here. 4 should be here. Come on. 1, 2. Well. I'm stuck here. 2, 3. Could be a 1. Could be a 4 here. Yeah, 2 and a 3. So the 2 and the 3 cannot be here. So the 2 and the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So this box can be 2 or a 3. Can be 1, can be 5. So 1 digit left. Should be a 4 then. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. That means that this box can be a 2. Because if I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. So the 3 and the 4. No, I cannot place the 3 there. If I place the 3 there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. The 3 could be here, could be there. And the 4 could be everywhere. Okay. Well. 2 and 3, 1 and these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 of them is left, the 5 and the 4. Here, 5 and 4. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 4. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Not quite faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, having troubles, but we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later. Bye bye.